Fire and Ice, written by Robert Frost. The present poem is written by Robert Frost, who is an American poet, writer. He is a very prolific writer. He has always enlightened the situation, the condition, the problems of the society. He is a realistic poet. In this poetry, just with two stanzas, he has given a deeper meaning. Let's read the poem. Some say the world will end in fire, some say in ice. From what I have tasted of desire, I hold with those who favor fire. In first stanza, having 4 lines, he says that the opinion of the people is that some say the world will end in a fire and some say the world will end in ice. But here it's a symbolic. He doesn't want to say that the world will end with the increasing temperature or the world will end due to the increasing level of the water. No, it is not. The symbolic word shows that people are not what they used to be. He says that the word fire is indicating greed, lust, cruelty, conflict and fury, and many other words. Now people are double-faced. They can go up to any extent to fulfill their motto. So he says that is it not enough that the world will end with such kind of people? The world will end in a fire. This is the fire. In the second stanza he says that, but if I had to perish twice, I think I know enough of hate. If the world had to perish twice, he has a doubt. Robert Frost shows doubt here. People, those who think that the world will end with fire. There are also people who think that the world will end with ice. You know what is the meaning of ice here? Ice is a symbolic word used for avarice, intolerance, rigidity, insensitivity, coldness, and hatred. People show indifference to each other. Is it not symbolically shown here? We hate our own brothers. We show indifference to the people of different race. So do you think something else is needed to destroy this world? Are we not the human being who is destroying our earth? So Robert Frost just with the 2 stanzas have given very deep and very opportune stanza. He says that if the world had to perish twice, if not with the fire, then with ice, and the world will end with the ice. There is no external factor is needed. Human being will be the destroyer of their own motherland. So I think I know enough of it to say that for destruction, fire is not needed. For destruction, ice is also great. And ice is a symbolic word used for intolerance, rigidity, indifference, insensitivity, coldness, and hatred. Thank you very much for listening to me.
Please subscribe to get more videos.